Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the eye area is clean and slightly damp. This helps absorption. Once done, dispense a pea-sized amount of Seoul 1988 eye cream, about 0.5 gram, for both eyes. Use your ring finger because it applies the least pressure. Gently warm the product between two fingertips, then tap small dots along the orbital bone from outer corner toward the inner corner. Make sure to avoid the lash line and blinking. This reduces irritation and maximizes where the cream works. You now focus on technique and layering to get benefits without pilling. Apply light layers only. The formulation is concentrated, so avoid heavy amounts. For crow's feet, use small outward sweeping motions toward the hairline to follow natural muscle lines, and for the under eye, use gentle inward taps toward the nose to distribute product evenly. Once applied, give it 1 to 2 minutes to absorb before adding serums, sunscreen, or makeup. This prevents rubbing off and helps active ingredients penetrate where they matter. You finish by sealing the routine. Press lightly to set the cream and then follow with your moisturizer if needed. In the morning, always layer sunscreen over the area for UV protection. Use the product twice daily, AM and PM, but if you get redness or stinging, reduce to once daily until tolerated. If you notice pilling, make sure the skin was fully absorbed and try waiting an extra minute. If problems persist, switch to a makeup or moisturizer formulated to be compatible with active creams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.